Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a Venmo debit card. In this video, I'm not going to show you anything in the app, so if you're looking for that, that's not the video for you. Of course, first you'll need to go and download Venmo if you don't have it downloaded yet, and if you do, just go and log in into your account or create an account if you don't have one. So basically, how to get your Venmo debit or credit card. Of course, first of all, is the Venmo debit card free? Yes, there's no charge to get the card. However, you can only activate one card for your associated Venmo account. You can't get multiple cards. And can you get a virtual debit card with Venmo? As you can see, a virtual credit card or card is available to you on the Venmo app as soon as you are approved for the Venmo credit card. So you don't have to worry about those two stuff. And here, of course, you'll be able to see the cashback and rewards of your Venmo debit card. So as you can see, you can level up your Venmo, and not all debit cards were created equal. So with that Venmo debit card, you will be able to get 5% cashback for using your debit card at some of your favorite sports, your best spots. So your best part is you can spend the money on your Venmo account. So getting paid back for dinner can turn into paying for your coffee, yoga class, or even your new shoes example, whatever you're buying, or wherever MasterCard is accepted. So basically, how to get it, it's very simple. All you need to do is open the Venmo app, go to the cards tabs, and look under the Venmo debit card to get started. If you see get in line message, it means you aren't yet able to apply for a Venmo debit card, but hold tight. You don't need to do anything else, and they will notify you via email when it's your turn to apply, and their support team does not have the ability to expedite this process. So once you're able to apply to a Venmo card, they will send you, or they will need to confirm some of your personal information, and once approved, your Venmo debit card should arrive within 10 business days. So at this time, the card can only be sent to a home address. If more than 10 business days have passed and you have not, or you still didn't receive your card, just contact them and you should be good to go. And yeah, that's it. So thank you for watching and goodbye.